Check in with meteorologist Sarah Gannon for a look at the weather. And Sarah, there's no words to describe how insane that snow is out there. I can't even explain it.
I know. It's like the tale of two seasons here this weekend.
Right.
We got to see a little bit of some sunshine and temperatures into the 50s and 60s yesterday, and now today we're dealing with that snow, our Easter snowstorm here for today. Overall, as we look at some of those snow totals in and around the area, kind of ranging from around 5 to 10 inches of snowfall, depending on where you are within the Fox 47 viewing area. So Elgin coming in at a whopping 10.8 inches, Bern at 9 inches, both Byron and Zumbro Falls ringing in at 7.5 inches of snowfall. Rochester International Airport range reaching a total of 6.1 inches so far. And as you head towards the northern part of Rochester, looking towards about 9 inches overall. And then in Austin at 5.5 inches. So still plenty of snow out there this evening. And we do have that winter storm warning for a good chunk of the Fox 47 viewing area until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So as you kind of start to wake up and head out the door, plan on a bit more of a messy commute as you kick off your Monday then. So as we kind of look ahead into the next couple of days, tonight as that snow comes to an end, we are going to continue to be dealing with blustery winds in the area. So we are looking to be dealing with blowing and drifting snow, especially in rural and open areas. So hopefully you are safe at home this evening and you don't have to go out on the roads. But as you wake up tomorrow, then plan on a messy commute if you do have to head into the office tomorrow. And the good news is, as we head towards Tuesday and beyond for this week, we are looking at some cooler but much quieter conditions for the region. Looking at our precision radar, we are starting to see some of that snow become a bit more lighter, still dealing with a heavier pocket off towards the western side of Rochester. Overall, good news is that the snow is pushing off towards our east, moving out of the area. Unfortunately, we'll have to deal with it just for another few hours, but good news is things are slowly beginning to die down in terms of intensity. So right now, live look at your Walton Group camera from Signal Hill, looking to the south, plenty of cloud cover out there this evening with that blowing snow. As we check in with road conditions in and around the area, a lot of folks are starting to deal with more of those partially covered roadways down into northeastern Iowa. But good news is around the Rochester area, we are starting to be seeing conditions improving. They were previously completely covered with snow and slush earlier this evening. So those conditions are slowly starting to improve, but otherwise we are still looking at some very slippery, slushy, and just messy roads in and around the area. So as we look at those winds, as I mentioned, very blustery and gusty in the area. We're seeing winds gusting up towards about 30 to 40 miles per hour at times, 40 right now in Rochester, 43 miles an hour down in Mason City. So that is what's causing all of that blowing and drifting snow in the area. Temperature-wise, into the upper 20s, so we are going to stay pretty chilly here for tonight, mainly into the 20s. As we check out that future cast for the rest of tonight, we will be seeing that snow become a bit lighter here in intensity. A lot of that snow will be out of the area as we head towards about midnight, 1 o'clock, and then continuing to dissipate throughout the overnight hours. By Monday, we are looking to be seeing some clearing in that cloud cover, but we could still be seeing maybe a few isolated flurries here and there throughout the day. By Tuesday, high pressure takes control of the region. We will be looking at some quieter conditions, although future cast trying to pick up on a few additional flurries. I'm thinking we are going to be staying quieter and a little sunnier for Tuesday. So tonight, temperatures will be into the upper teens, lower 20s in the area. That snow will come to an end, but those blustery winds will create blowing and drifting snow, especially in rural and open areas. For tomorrow, we'll just see a few spotty flurries, but it will be chilly with temperatures only into the low and mid 30s. Checking out that extended forecast. Good news is we will get to see that sunshine for Tuesday and beyond. Starting off, though, we will be a little cooler, mainly into the 30s. But as we head towards the weekend, good news is we get that sunshine and we get seasonal temperatures back into the mid 50s.
We'll take a thank you.